What is going on, guys? So today we got the XRP price prediction. So yeah, we'll just hop straight into it, right? So currently it's at 71 cents. So obviously here on the chart, we can see if we go down here to the week, we can see that its highest price was right around $2 this year. Now if we go out even further, we can see that that was very close to all-time highs previously, right? This is again around the same time the bull run happened this year. But where can the price actually go? So if you guys don't know, Ripple is still with the SEC lawsuit, all of that fun jazz stuff. However, it has made pretty big advances. Now, the only crappy thing is due to the SEC lawsuit and everything happening. I remember a lot of exchanges, for example, crypto.com. I ended up staking XRP. Now, however, they ended up forcing me to sell due to that, and I got very mad because it made me sell right around 30 cents. I think I bought it right around that price point too. It was between like 0.25 and 0.35. Can't really remember where. However, I had to sell at 30 cents. So again, that's very annoying, but it is what it is. But basically, right, first thing we always look at is we got to look at the supply, right? So we see max supply, total, and circulating supply. Considering its max supply is this much and it hasn't even released half of the supply it has right now, basically circulating, that's not really a good sign for the price. To be honest with you, you should probably start, burning some of these because if they released all of it right now, this price would literally split in half. Now, this makes evaluations a little bit harder, right? Because where can this price actually go? Well, right now, 71 cents, right? I think personally it's overbought due to the fact that my true for Ripple is a good range, and it's always bounced between this range. It's between zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.4 cents, so right around the 0.3 cent area. Now, why is this? This is because back in 2017, that was a huge milestone to break that 25-cent mark in the bull run that happened back then. So, I remember I was shocked when it did. I held a couple, and then when it ended up going past 100 or like $1, I was like, okay, well, time to cash in. But basically, yeah, right? So with the SEC lawsuit and all of that happening, there can be a huge price jump very quickly, right? Just like a nice green candle, exactly like this. So what would that mean? In my honest opinion, if the SEC lawsuit, if Ripple wins that or XRP wins it, then basically this price will break through $1 without a doubt in my mind. Now, do I think it's going to hold? I don't think it's going to hold that for very long at all, to be honest. Um, Especially current market conditions. I think at that above dollar range, you might have a couple of days. It's going to be exactly like with the Dogecoin, how it rose right before Elon Musk went on SNL, and then it's just going to go down, and then hold at about a steady level. So it'll probably go down or up to around $1 range here, and then go right down to consolidating around that 70-cent range right here, and then it'll continue probably to go a little bit further down. Now, in the long run, how much could this coin be worth? Now, since it's mainly for banks and all of that fun jazz stuff, and I'll leave the white paper, you guys know I always put that down below if you want to check it out. But I personally think that there's way too much supply, right? I don't have too much high hopes in Ripple for the long run. I don't think $10 is possible with its supply because I'm basing it off of max supply, not circulating supply. And $10 not possible, $5 no way. Um, Honestly, I think the maximum, in my opinion, that it would go would be $3. Because I know I personally wouldn't pay above $2 for Ripple, um, or even $1, depending on how insane I am that day. But yeah, so that's just my viewpoint that I just wouldn't pay over that amount. So I think $3 is a fair judge in a sense to say that, hey, $3 with the supply and everything that's going on, yeah, okay, that's pretty fair. Um, you know, if it's ever above 3, I think it's gonna be completely overvalued. Even right now, I think it's not supposed to be in this range. It's just with the lawsuit news happening, it's already coming up a little bit. But again, we shall wait and see. But yeah, that's basically my price prediction, right? It's not gonna go higher than $3. And I think it's an overvalued crypto. But again, banks use it. It has some good, again, it has some good features. And again, I'll leave the white paper down below. But yeah, that's basically it. Don't forget to click the links down below for all the free stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.